What's good, all my SGMers, all my still getting money people out there? And before you watch this video, become part of the SGM family by subscribing, like, sharing, comment, and hit that bell button below so you be notified first. And shout out to the SGM notification gang. I see you holding me down in the comments. Gang gang. And before you watch this video, don't forget to add me on social media. The links will be in the description below. So like I said, we can stay connected. My Instagram, everything's gonna be there. Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. As you can see, all four right here in the bottom. Always gonna be there. Like I said, in every video, I haven't been posting like that. Been doing a whole bunch of stuff, but I am active. Like I said, I do answer a bunch of inboxes. There's a lot in there. So, and there's other people I'll be working on with my MCA business that, to make money, you gotta invest money. Only real entrepreneurs know that. You know what I mean? You gotta take a risk sometimes. So I definitely gotta put my time into people that invested their money so they could progress and see the results that I'm seeing, etc. You know what I'm saying? Same way the person I came under 5 years ago did for me. So at the end of the day, that's what I gotta do. But anyways, you know what I'm saying? I got an email, and I want to share with y'all. I got an email, basically. Let me just get right to it. So, I promoted this app before. Like I said, the promo goes in and out. The name of the app is, some of y'all probably heard of it, some of you haven't. But let me let this load up real quick before I show y'all. Like I said, every time the promo come back, I post a video again. You know what I'm saying? So hold on, I'm waiting for it to load because it's not loading. But like I said, this is one of the easiest apps to make money. So a lot of y'all need to take advantage of this. Like I said, when I posted this, a lot of y'all didn't take advantage of this. It is so easy. Like it's probably number one on the list. It's a new app, but it's not new, but it ain't been out that long. I've been with this app since like December 2017. I think that's when it came out. At least I heard of it around that time. But like I said, this thing is taking forever to load. That's why I don't have it on the screen right now. But give me a second, man. But let me refresh this real quick. I don't know why is it taking so long to load. Why is it taking so long? But like I said, man, every time the promo come out, this is like a no-brainer. Like I said, man, a no-brainer. Let me just power this thing off real quick, because for some reason it is not working for me right now. I just had it open. This thing is a no-brainer. So if y'all don't take advantage of it, y'all don't want to make no money, because if y'all can't do the easy stuff, y'all definitely ain't gonna be able to do the hard stuff. You get what I'm saying? So why the hell is not opening up though, man? Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. So it finally opened up. As you can see right there, you can read. You know what I mean? Right there, Dash, right there. Some of y'all know about this app, some of y'all don't. Like I said, the promo is back. Like I said, refer friends, get 15, exactly like you're reading it right now. Most of y'all that got Dash probably got this and probably already know about it. Look at it right here. Limited time, get 15 for each friend you refer to Dodge who links their card and gets in-store cash back from the first time. Like I said, the cash back is great. You got to spend money, you get cash back, because who doesn't want to get cash back, you know what I'm saying, for things they spend? Because a lot of y'all go buy stuff anyway and get nothing back. So that's a great, it's a great system right there. But at the end of the day, just for you, the person linking their card, it's real simple. That's how easy it is. You send your link out, the person links their card, you got $15. It's probably gonna be in your Dash account probably like in 48 hours. It's that simple. They download the app through your link, they go to the part which I'm gonna show you where, and that's it. They even get $5 just for putting their card. And if every card after that they get $1, but just putting their first card, they're rewarded with $5 and you get 15. It's that easy. The promo is gonna be over, as you can see right there, ends April 13th at 12 p.m. So like I said, it's that easy, man. It don't take a rocket scientist, man, to do this. Like I said, you get, I'm saying, even 3 people, that's what, $45? $45 just for this. I'm gonna show you right now. Let me go to the app all the way in the back. Got a lot of apps here, I'm gonna be grinding, man. Like see the Dash app right there, let it focus right there. Click. I'm gonna show you how simple it is. Let this load up. Like I said, this is all the cash back stuff. I'm gonna get back in. I'm gonna get into that in a minute. See them 3 dots right there up there? That's all you doing. That's all they doing when you send them their link after they download it off your link. See what it says credit card or debit cards? You know what I mean? That's it. They got a credit card, like a real bank account. I mean, like a real debit bank account. Not no prepaid is allowed. I'm assuming it's not allowed. You can try it anyway, but I doubt I would take it. A real bank account or a credit card. Like I said, see how mine is right there? Once they type in the credit card numbers or the debit card numbers and add it, you know what I'm saying? That's it. They got $5, you got 15. All the person gotta do, you know what I mean? All the person gotta do is that. Go back over to person number 2, like this, type, add, done. That's 30 for you. You do it again, that's 45, and it goes on and goes on and goes on. Like I said, these are all the cashback stuff. If y'all seen my other videos about this, y'all already know what it is. Like I said, all the nearby stuff near me. Like I said, I could go through here, but like I said, there's a search bar up here. So I know things around me, and I could just put the name of it and see if they have any cashback stuff right here. Or if you're searching for something online, you go right here online, and then, like I said, you could just look it up here and look all the cashback. Look all the percentages on the side. Like I said, it definitely comes in handy. Like I said, they also got travel, you know what I'm saying? 25 cash bonus for the first hotel you book. Like I said, I will be using that soon because, like I said, I travel a lot. But I have other things that I use also that I got like points on. But that's why I haven't used it yet, because I'll get more days free off to the app that I'm using now. Once I do those and I use up those points, then I'll come back to this. You know what I mean? It's real simple. Like I said, look, $936.59. People that downloaded this app through my link have received in cash back. You know what I mean? So it's definitely giving back money. Like I said, why spend if you're in this place where they give you cash back? Why spend and not get why spend and not get money back? It's like common sense. You know what I mean? It's real common sense. So like I said, let me go on to the next right here. I said this is my referral link. My referral link right there. It will be in the link in the description below. So all you gotta do is click it. You don't have to go outside to the Apple Store, Play Store. All you gotta do is click it. Like I said, it will take you to the Apple Store, Play Store. You download it. You put your card where I told you, just like a few minutes ago. You put your card in, your debit card or your credit card, and that's so you can come back to the video. Like I said, I got cash outs on this. It take about 3 to 5 business days for after you cash out, whether it's in your debit card or PayPal. You can have both options. Wherever you want to cash out at, it'll go directly there or directly to PayPal. And like I said, it take 3 to 5 business days. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, you can look through the videos. I got other videos cashing out. It's really that simple. You can send it to family and friends, social media. You can share everywhere through text. You know what I'm saying? Post on Facebook, Twitter, email, etc. You know what I mean? And that's basically it, man. That's basically it. It's simple. Like I said, take advantage of this promo right now, man. Like I said, take advantage of it. As you can see again right here, it ends on the 13th right there of it ends on the 13th of April, which is what's today, like the 5th or the 6th? Hold on, let me see what today's day is. What is today's day? Today's the 7th, so let me open my phone back up. Today's the 7th, so you got about what? 5-6 days. You got about 5-6 days, like I said, to get busy, man. You can make a whole lot of money. Like I said, just 3 people. They say this, you can do 3 people a day if you can't do a lot. Like I said, 3 people a day is only what, $45. Like I said, if you want to help you out, like I said, all you gotta do is go through my videos. Once you find a video that I'm cashing out, like I said, on this app, all you gotta do is post the video on social media and post your link to make it easier. That's one of the things I used to do when I first started years ago. Like I said, what you do is you take my video, post it on Facebook, take the link, your link. When people see my video and see that you can actually cash out, they're gonna see all the payment proof. Since you don't got your payment proof, they're gonna see the payment proof. They're like, oh, all right. And once they see and they believe in it, they're gonna click it. Like I said, make their own. And then once they put their debit card, you're gonna get the $15 of me explaining the video. You know what I mean? It's that simple. I used to do the same thing 5 years ago. Like I said, I didn't have my payment proof. So what I had to do with the person that put me on, I had to put their payment proof with my link. You get what I'm saying? It's like I said, it's very simple. You got to make it easy. This is one of the easiest apps, one of the newest apps. I only had it for a couple months, but like I said, it's easy. How hard is it to, you know what I'm saying, to download the app off your link? Now grab this, let's say this is my credit card, grab my credit card, put the numbers in, that's it, I'm paid. That's it, the person's paid. It's that simple. We both paid. If you're getting $5 and I'm getting 15, then when you get somebody to do the same thing, you're getting 15, they're getting 5. Like I said, it's one hand washes the other. It's really that simple, to be honest with you, you know what I mean? Shouldn't make it harder than what it is, you know what I mean? But like I said, get to the grinder, man. Get the grinder. Like I said, it's free money and it's easy money, like I said, you know what I mean? But anyways, don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms. Like I said, connect with me. If I don't answer you, I'll eventually get to you. I got a lot of people that I'm answering on multiple platforms. Like I said, even got on posts, I still be in the inbox just talking to people and, you know, grinding, doing my thing, basically. But anyways, the SGM Cash Out King is signing out. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam.
Yeah, I'm in this bitch with terror. Got a head full of stacks, better grab an umbrella, I make it